In today's fast-paced world, earbuds and earphones have become a ubiquitous part of our lives. We rely on them for entertainment, communication, and even work. However, there is a growing concern about the potential damage they can cause to our ears. In this video, we will delve into the ways in which earbuds can harm our ears and explore the potential harmful effects of earphones. Excessive noise exposure. One of the primary ways earbuds can damage our ears is through excessive noise exposure. Many people crank up the volume to drown out external noise or immerse themselves in their favorite tunes. However, prolonged exposure to loud music or sounds can lead to noise-induced hearing loss. The delicate structures in our ears can be irreversibly damaged by the high decibel levels, causing permanent hearing impairment. Impacted earwax. Using earbuds or earphones frequently can lead to a buildup of earwax. When we insert earbuds into our ears, it can push the earwax deeper into the ear canal, causing it to become impacted. This can result in discomfort, a feeling of fullness, and even temporary hearing loss. Moreover, attempting to clean the earwax improperly can cause further damage to the ear canal or eardrum. Ear infections. Another risk associated with earbuds is an increased likelihood of developing ear infections. The prolonged use of earbuds creates a warm and moist environment in the ear canal, which can promote the growth of bacteria or fungi. This can lead to painful ear infections, known as otitis externa or swimmer's ear. Symptoms may include ear pain, itching, discharge, and even temporary hearing loss. Tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by the perception of ringing, buzzing, or other phantom sounds in the ears. It can be a consequence of using earbuds at high volumes for an extended period. The constant exposure to loud noise can damage the delicate hair cells in the inner ear responsible for transmitting sound signals to the brain. This damage can result in the perception of persistent noises, impacting one's quality of life. Risk of accidents. Wearing earbuds or earphones while engaged in activities that require full attention, such as walking, cycling, or driving, can pose a significant risk. The isolation created by earbuds can prevent us from hearing important sounds from our environment, including traffic or emergency sirens, increasing the chances of accidents and injury. While earbuds can potentially damage our ears, it is important to note that the harmful effects can be mitigated by adopting safe listening practices. Here are a few tips to protect your ears. Limit the volume and duration of listening sessions. Take regular breaks from using earbuds or earphones to allow your ears to rest. Opt for noise cancelling or over-the-ear headphones that provide better sound isolation at lower volumes. Clean your earbuds regularly and avoid sharing them with others. Be mindful of your surroundings and remove earbuds in situations where it is necessary to hear external sounds. In conclusion, earbuds and earphones have the potential to damage our ears if used improperly. Excessive noise exposure, impacted earwax, ear infections, tinnitus, and the risk of accidents are among the hazards associated with their use. It is crucial to prioritize ear health and practice safe listening habits to prevent long-term damage and preserve our hearing ability.